Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn computer. Lesson number 2, storage devices. Here are some pictures of storage devices, that is RAM, ROM, CD, DVD, hard disk, floppy disk, memory cards, pen drive, etc. Now let us begin with the storage devices. What are storage devices? Storage devices are used to hold on to store information saved on a computer. Such information can be of different types, including installed programs and system files, which are based on time span for which the data is required to be stored in computer memory or can be either temporary or permanent. Here are some examples of storage devices. Computer memory is stored in bytes, where 1 byte consists of 8 adjacent units known as bytes. Different units of computer memory are: kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes, megabytes is equals to 1024 KB, gigabytes is equals to 1024 MB, terabytes is equals to 1024 GB. These are the units used in the computer memory management, like how we use centimeters, meters, liters, milliliters in maths. Same way, KB, MB, GB and TB is used in the computer memory management. Now let us begin with first storage device, that is the floppy disk. Can you see, children? These are the floppy disk. Now what is a floppy disk? A floppy disk are thin circular disc made up of magnetic tape encased in plastic casing. This magnetic tape is in the form of plastic covered with magnetic material. Floppy disk has storage capacity ranging from 81 KB to 240 MB. They are made up of flexible plastic disk. Floppy disk contains data stored on its magnetic disk, and to access the data, the disk is rotated by a motor available in the disk reader, which is in the CPU. Floppy disk is generally available in 3 sizes, that is 8 inch, 5 1/4 inch and 3 1/2 inch. It is cheapest storage medium. The read-write speed of floppy disk is slow. Floppy disk do not retain data for too long. This loss of data is due to environmental conditions. Weak and easy to break. Floppy disks are weak and easy to break if not stored properly. Because of all these issues, floppy disks were eventually phased out and replaced with compact disk. Can you see? These are the floppy disk. Now let us move on to the second storage device, that is the CD. Now CD stands for compact disc. In optical disc, instead of magnetic material or plastic, the data is encoded into thin aluminium layers created on polycarbonate disc. Here, data can be written on these discs using a laser or a stamping machine. CD is optical storage format that has a storage capacity higher than a floppy disk. The disk is made to rotate in the disk drive, and the right laser is fired on the surface of the CD. Maximum capacity of CD can hold is 700 MB. Point to be noted, CD was originally developed in 1982 by Philips and Sony to store sound recordings and was later adopted for storage of other types of data. Now, different types of CD available today are CD-ROM or read-only memory disk, that is, the data is already imprinted during its manufacturing process. CDR or readable disk, that is, they are used to write data only once. CDRW or rewritable disk, which is written on multiple times. CD-D or digital audio disc, which can be used as audio CDs. VCD or video compact disc, which can store video data. SVCD or super video compact disc, which can store high quality videos. Now let us move on to the third storage device, that is the DVD. DVD means digital versatile or video disc. Here are some pictures of DVD. Now, DVD. DVD was invented in 1995, which is much more effective version of optical storage. So, similar to CDs, the DVDs are created to fill all sorts of digital data. DVDs have a maximum capacity of 4.7 GB, approximately more than that of 6 CDs. This is because, unlike a CD which has single readable surface, a DVD offers both of its surface to store data, hence provides higher storage capacity than a CD. Types of data that can be stored in DVDs include audio and video files, and also application files and high definition video files. Point to be noted, DVDs can easily be mass produced by stamping the data onto the DVD by a molding machine. The different types of DVDs are as follows: DVD-ROM or read-only disc, which are available with pre-existing data that are imprinted during the manufacturing process. DVD-R or recordable disc can be written on only once, and DVD-RW or rewritable disc, which can be written on multiple times. Here are some pictures of DVD. So here we end up with today's session. In the next session we will learn USB flash drive and hard disk drive. See you soon. Bye.